Bro, effective ba mga fat burner supplements para pumayat? Okay, ito sikreto natin Basahin mo yung likod. Karamihan yan, caffeine, tsaka green tea. Tapos may bioprine, which is pepperine, black pepper. Yung black pepper para ma-absorb. Coffee, alam natin lahat, 0 calories yan. Gives you energy. Alertiveness, awakefness, nagigigil tayo, good circulation, papainit ng katawan. Green tea, ganun din. May polyphenols. So, yun lang yung basic naglalagay nila sila ng mga kung ano-anong additives like L-carnitine, which is working naman. Pero, kung lahat yan take mo, tas hindi ka naman nagalaw at sobrang kain mo, which is magiging calorie surplus, tataba ka. Para pumayat, kung ano yung nalagay natin sa ating mouth, kung ano yung kinakain natin, kailangan calorie deficit para pumayat. Ngayon, para maging healthy, dapat nutritious. Para magka-muscle, stimulate natin progressive overload resistance training. Tapos protein builds and repairs muscle. Konting fat for healthy cholesterol and hormones, and carbs for energy. Tama kayo, mali ako na siya, Dr. Do over